1.3 Taxonomy of Information. Robeck, Matkey, and Brown, 1987, have identified 10 kinds of information which are used in an organizational setting. These are action information. This is information that requires a response from the recipient. Examples include court summons, utility bills, electricity, water, telephone, house rentals, etc., and directives from management. Non-action information. Information that does not require mandatory reaction from the recipient. Examples include information about a state of affairs such as news about new appointments, corporate, ministerial, etc. Information from magazines, newspapers, annual reports, novels, etc. These just inform you, and you do not have to act on them. Recurring information. This refers to information that is received continuously by the organization. Such information tends to be valuable. Examples include accounting information, sales information, and production reports. This kind of information is issued periodically, weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually, etc. Non-recurring information. This is the kind of information that may be needed only once in the life of an organization. Examples include information for building an office. After the building is complete, that information may not be needed anymore. Internal information. This information is generated within an organization. This includes budget reports, production schedules, payrolls, policy manuals such as directives, memoranda, etc. The information is only meant for that organization, and an outsider would not have any use for it. External information. This information emanates from outside the organization. It includes status reports from other organizations, correspondence, published reference materials, etc. These can be useful for comparison purposes and can also help to make improvements in your organization. Historical information. This information is essentially a record of past events or activities. It is useful for purposes of planning future activities. Examples include past balance sheets from previous fiscal years, reports from past activities, etc. This information is gathered from both internal and external sources. Future information. This information forecasts or anticipates the future. This information is particularly useful in marketing and planning. Examples include trends information, weather forecasts, and economic forecasts. Future information is gathered from past and current activities and is used to project future activities. Documentary information. This information is recorded on some physical medium. This may include verbal information that has been recorded. Documentary information may be presented on a variety of media including paper, electronic, i.e., magnetic tape, non-print media, e.g., microfilm, microfiche, video, etc. Non-documentary information. This is information that has not been recorded. This includes such forms of receiving or communicating information as verbal, observation, gestures, feelings, etc. Organizations deal with all these kinds and types of information on a daily basis depending on the needs and requirements of the users. Understanding the functions of each level in the organizational structure will therefore assist one to appreciate the type of information relevant to that level. Information is gathered on a continuous basis because society is dynamic, hence the information cycle.